Hi there. We'll start by personalizing the weekly meal planner. Go to the Setup tab. Here you can customize your measurement units, categories, recipe categories, and you can also select which day of the week to start. If you don't wish to change anything here, we can move to the next step. Go to the Recipe Cards tab and create all your recipe cards. You can add ingredients, cooking instructions, and other details like the number of servings per recipe, time, and difficulty. Once you have created all your recipes, you can easily view them in the Recipe Book tab. You can also jump to the recipe card by clicking the recipe link. Now you are ready to plan your meals for the week. Go to the Meal Planner tab. Here you will simply select what you would like to eat for each day of the week. After selecting your recipes, a grocery list will be automatically generated for each day. At this point, it will also auto-generate the shopping list for the entire week. If you wish to exclude some recipes from your grocery list, just check them under the Exclude section. Next, the automatic shopping list. The first section of this tab should not be edited, because items will automatically populate here. On the second section, you can add extra items that you wish to include in your shopping list. If there are items that you already have in your inventory and want to exclude from the shopping list, just add them to the third section called Your Current Inventory. Finally, the printable shopping list. Here you'll find all your items sorted by category. You can either print this list or just open it on your phone. Check off items from your list as you add them to your shopping cart. That's everything you need to know to start planning your meals for the week. I wish you a fantastic week ahead and enjoy your tasty recipes. Happy planning!